Today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using all makeup from the brand Ilia. Ilia is a clean beauty brand, cruelty-free. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I recently just made the switch, made the commitment to only using makeup and beauty from cruelty-free makeup brands. And I'm so stoked because Ilia did send me a few of these products. Some of them I've already purchased and had in my collection. So I'm really excited to try everything out. So yeah, let's just get right into this makeup look. The first thing I'm gonna be using is their Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask. This I already had in my collection and it is an amazing lip mask. It makes my lips just super moisturized and plump. I love this lip mask. I'm gonna start on my eyes, and I always start on my eyes when I do any type of makeup look, just because if there's any fallout, I can take that away before I do my face makeup. So we're gonna start with the eyes, and I'm actually going to take their True Skin Serum Concealer to prime my eyelids. Then I'm actually going to take their Drawn In Nightlife Bronzing Powder just to contour the eyes and add a little dimension to it with the bronzer. And since I made this commitment to only using cruelty-free makeup products, I have actually been on the hunt for a good bronzer because one of my favorites, Tests on Animals. So I'm really excited to try this out. So far on the lids, it's really pigmented and it's blending really easily. I know it's a bronzer, it's not meant to be an eyeshadow, but I do like using bronzers as eyeshadows. So far, really loving it. Now I'm gonna try this liquid powder chromatic eye tint, and this is in the shade Mythic. I'm gonna take that brush I was using for the bronzer to just blend the edges so they're not so harsh. Now I'm going to try the Clean Line Gel Liner, and this is Carbon Black Free, and this is in the shade Twilight. This is like a kohl eyeliner. I'm gonna test a little bit out on my hand. Super creamy and pigmented, so let's line our eyes with this. I'm gonna take an angled brush to just diffuse this eyeliner so it's not so harsh. Now to finish the eyes, I'm going to use this Limitless Lash Mascara. And I actually am testing this mascara out for my rating and reviewing similar products. I am testing out all clean beauty mascaras. So moving on to the face, I'm gonna be using the Super Serum Skin Tint, and this has SPF 40 in it. I actually did a review on this skin tint. I will link it right up here if you guys wanna watch it. I love this skin tint. I think it is really good for us oily skin girls, and it's just really beautiful just for like a lighter coverage look. This is amazing. Okay, now for concealer. This is the True Skin Serum Concealer, and this is in the shade Yucca? I think it's Yucca. Okay, first time using this concealer, and it is super moisturizing, blended out amazing, and I really like the coverage of it. Okay, next up, I'm gonna try the Multi-Stick, and this is in the shade Ladybird. So I guess you can use this for your cheeks, your lips, just multi-use. So I'm going to take it on a brush and just kind of dab right here and use it on my cheeks. I didn't pick up too much pigment, so I'm just gonna rub it on. There we go. And then blend it out with my brush. And I might go back in with this after I set everything, just so it brings out a little more of the pigment and the color. But I'm gonna set everything, and I've heard such amazing things about this powder, so I'm really excited to try it. This is the Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Fade Into You. I did buy this myself because I am looking for a new setting powder, because my favorite is from, I'm not even gonna mention it, but they test on animals, so we're not about that life. I'm going to just set my whole face with this. Are you guys seeing how good this set my face? Like, look at how shiny I look on this side, and then look how just like matte, but still like really natural and healthy this side looks like. Now I'm gonna take the bronzer and just bronze up my skin with this. I'm gonna go back into that multi-stick so I can just bring a little bit of this pigment back into my cheeks and make them a little more rosier. And my trick so I don't disturb anything laid down on my face, because I do have powders and this is a cream, is to take a brush and apply it that way, and then just use little tapping motions, and then you won't disrupt anything else that you have done. Now I'm going to use the Liquid Light Serum Highlighter, and this is a liquid as well. It's a very liquidy, so I think I'm going to put it, or I guess I'll just put it right on my skin. See how it goes. Okay, I might have put too much on, but it is so beautiful. And it just added like a really healthy glow to my skin. It doesn't look like shimmery or anything. And looking up close too, it did not disrupt like any of the powder or pretty much anything that I put on. It just blended together so pretty. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my nose and highlight that area. And why not, I'm just going to highlight my Cupid's bow as well with it. To finish this look off, I'm just going to be taking the Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in the shade Only You. This feels so good. Really like this, and the shade is really pretty girly. I need to actually finish up the under eye, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the bronzer and just sweep it across the lower lash line really fast, and then put mascara on, and then we will be done with this look. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look, and I'm obsessed, you guys. Everything I tried, I love. I don't know, I just love how just natural and really pretty this makeup look looks, and I don't know, I'm obsessed. I want to try even more from Ilia. If you guys have any favorite products from them, leave me a comment down below so I can check them out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I know I don't do a lot of makeup tutorials here on my channel, so give me a thumbs up if you like this and want to see more makeup looks. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.